Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe children, and welcome to my English class. And today we are going to see the subject English for 2nd standard unit 2 in term 3, and the lesson name is People Who Help Us. So we already learned in this topic look and say. So in that look and say we learned people who help us, and now we are going to see the topic let us learn. In this let us learn we are going to see one story. So what story? Dress Day, and the story name is Dress Day. What day children? Dress Day. ஆடைகள் தினம். Dressனா என்ன? ஆடைகள். Dayனா என்ன? நாள். ஆடைகளுக்கான நாள். Come, we'll see what will happen in this story. Class 2 children like Malini teacher a lot. So, like you, in this lesson also, class 2 children are there. Look at the picture children. Students are learning and they are doing some activity, isn't it children? So, one teacher is standing there. Her name is Malini. Her class is always full of fun. What does mean by fun? Fun means enjoyment. Learning with enjoyment. So, her class is always learning and also the students enjoy the class. Tomorrow, we will have a fancy dress show. Tomorrow, நாளை we will have a fancy dress show. நாம் fancy dress show நடத்த போறோம் அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்றாங்க? டீச்சர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட சொல்றாங்க. What is mean by fancy dress? Fancy dress is a show, ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சி. அந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில நீங்க எல்லாரும் விதவிதமா ஆடை அணிந்து கொண்டு உங்களுக்கு பிடித்த ஒருவரை போல் ஆடை அணிந்து கொண்டு வரலாம் அப்படின்னு மாலினி டீச்சர் சொல்றாங்க. We all have to dress up like people who help us. So we all have to dress up like people who help us. Teacher என்ன சொல்றாங்க? நீங்க எல்லாரும் யார மாதிரி ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வரணும்னு சொல்றாங்க? உங்களுக்கு பிடித்த ஒருவர். யாரை போல? People who help us. So in this society there are so many people helping us, like doctor, teacher, police, barber, carpenter. So there are so many people are helping us. So the teacher said, you dress up like the people who help us, and says by the teacher. And the next day, what happened in the next day? Look at the picture. All the students they colorfully dressed up and they came into the class. So the next day, the class is colorful and everyone is dressed up. The class is colorful. ரொம்ப வண்ணமயமா இருந்தது கிளாஸே. And everyone, ஒவ்வொருவரும் is dressed up. ஒரு ஆடை அணிந்து கொண்டு வந்தார்கள். ஃபேன்சி ட்ரெஸ் ஷோக்கு பிள்ளைகள் எல்லாருமே ரெடியாகி டீச்சர் முன்னாடி வந்து நிற்கிறாங்க. அதை பார்த்ததும் டீச்சருக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாயிடுச்சு. ஸோ when you obey the teacher words, always the teacher will be happy. எப்போ நம்ம டீச்சர் பேச்சை கேட்குறோமோ டீச்சருக்கு ரொம்ப எப்படி இருக்கும்? சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும். Like that, Malini teacher is very happy. Malini teacher is happy. அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா ஆயிடுச்சு. நம்ம சொன்ன உடனே எல்லாரும் ட்ரெஸ் போட்டுட்டு வந்துட்டாங்களே, எல்லாரும் ஒரு மாதிரி ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துட்டு இருக்காங்களே அப்படின்னு அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்பட்டாங்க டீச்சர். And the Malini teacher said, come on kids, talk about yourself. Come on kids, வாங்க குழந்தைகளே, talk about yourself. உங்களை போல் நீங்கள் பேசுங்கள். நீங்கள் யாரை போல் ஆடை அணிந்து வந்திருக்கிறீர்களோ அவர்களை போல் நீங்கள் பேசுங்கள் அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்றாங்க? டீச்சர் சொல்றாங்க. And says by the teacher. So the next day, class is colorful. Everyone is dressed up. Malini teacher is happy. Come on kids, talk about yourself, says the teacher. And the first person is coming. முதல் பையன் வருகிறான். Look at the picture, children. He dressed up like a farmer. See, his name is Varun and he said, I am Varun. நான் தான் Varun. I am a farmer. I am a farmer. நான் ஒரு விவசாயி. I grow food for you. I grow food for you. நான் உங்களுக்காக உணவு பயிர்களை வளர்க்கிறேன். Who said? Yes, Varun said. Who act as a farmer? Very good, children. Varun only act as a farmer. Varun dressed up like a farmer. Who is a farmer, children? Farmer means vivasayi. So, farmer is a backbone of our country. Farmers are backbone. நமக்கு முதுகெலும்பு நம் உடம்பிற்கு எவ்வளவு முக்கியமோ அதே போல் முக்கியமான நம் நாட்டிற்கு முக்கியமான முதுகெலும்பு போல் ஆதாரமாக உள்ளவர்கள் farmer. So the farmers are backbone of our country, India. So in our country, farming is very important. Because of farming only, every day we are eating food. So what farmers do? They wake up early in the morning. அதிகாலையிலே எழுந்திடுவாங்க. And they go to the field. வயல்வெளிக்கு போகுவாங்க. என்ன செய்வாங்க வயல்வெளியில? They sow the seeds and they water the plants and they take care of their plants like their children. அவர்களுடைய குழந்தைகளை போல அந்த பயிர்களை வளர்ப்பாங்க. நமக்காக உணவு தயாரிப்பவர்கள் யாரு? Farmer. So, who dressed up like farmer? Very good, children. Varun dressed up like farmer. And look at the next one. Who came? Charu. So, she said, I am Charu. I am a dancer. I make you happy with my dance. I am Charu. நான் தான் Charu. I am a dancer. நான் நடனமாடுபவள். I make you happy with my dance. நான் உங்களை சந்தோஷப்படுத்துவேன். எதன் மூலம்? என் நடனத்தின் மூலம் நான் உங்களை சந்தோஷப்படுத்துவேன். யார் சொல்றாங்க? Charu சொல்றாங்க. So Charu dressed up like a dancer. Who is a dancer, children? Yes, நடனம் ஆடுபவர்கள் தான் யாரு? Dancer. What is dance? Dance na என்ன? I think all of you like dance. Very good, children. So dance is a kind of art. அது வந்து ஒரு கலை. So the dancer, they express the feelings from the song. அவங்க என்ன ஆடுறாங்களோ அந்த சாங்ல என்ன கருத்து இருக்கோ they express the song feeling by from the face and also from the actions, and this is called dancing. So in this lesson, who dressed up like dancer? Charu. Who dressed up like dancer? Charu dressed up like dancer. And what dancer will do? Yes, they make us happy by their performance. அவர்களுடைய நடனத்தின் மூலமாக யாரை மகிழ்விக்கிறார்கள்? நம்மை மகிழ்விக்கிறார்கள். And the next person is coming. So next, who is coming? Yes, Abdul. Who is coming? Abdul. And he said, I am Abdul. I am a pilot. I fly up in the sky. Zoom. So he said, I am Abdul. நான் தான் Abdul. I am a pilot. I am a pilot. நான் விமானத்தை ஓட்டுபவர். So who is mean by pilot? The pilot drives and flies an aeroplane. விமானத்தை ஓட்டுபவருக்கு பேரு தான் pilot and I fly up in the sky. நான் வானத்தில் பறப்பேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அப்துல் என்ன பண்றாங்க? ஜூம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சத்தம் போட்டுக்கிட்டே அந்த சவுண்டோட போறாங்க. So what he said, I am Abdul, I am a pilot, I fly up in the sky, zoom. So who is pilot? Yes, pilot flies an aeroplane. Pilot flies an aeroplane. Very good, children. The next person who is coming, look here. Yes, Divya. Divya, and she dressed up like an engineer. So what she said, look at the sentence. I am Divya, I am an engineer, I build houses. I am Divya, Nandan Divya, I am an engineer. I am an engineer. நான் ஒரு பொறியாளர். I build houses. நான் வீடுகளை கட்டுவேன். Here in this lesson, Divya dressed up like an engineer. And the next person is coming. Who is coming? Look at the screen. So, Nancy is coming. She said, I am Nancy. I am Nancy. I am a doctor. I treat sick people. Nandan Nancy. I am a doctor. நான் ஒரு மருத்துவர். I treat sick people. நான் நோயாளிகளை குணப்படுத்துவேன். Who said these words? Nancy. Nancy dressed up like a doctor. Very good, children. Nancy dressed up like a doctor. So what is the role of doctor in the society, children? Yes, doctor treats patients. So in this lesson, who dressed up like doctor? Very good, children. Nancy dressed up like doctor. And the next person is coming. See, look at the picture. One boy is coming with the pipe and with one spanner. And what the boy said, look at the sentence. I am David, I am a plumber. I mend and fix your pipes. I am David. நான் தான் David. I am a plumber. நான் குழாய்களை சரி செய்பவர். I mend and fix your pipes. நான் pipes குழாய்களை பொருத்துபவர் மற்றும் குழாய்களை சரி செய்பவர். The David dressed up like a plumber. So plumbing work is very important for our houses, children. நம் வீடுகளுக்கு plumbing வேலை குழாய்களை பொருத்துவது என்பது முக்கியமான பணியாகும். And who is doing these jobs, children? Plumber. So David dressed up like a plumber. So what is the role of plumber in the society? So the plumber fix the pipes and repair the pipes for our houses and for the restaurants and for the schools, hotels and for all the building. They fix pipes and they repair pipes in everywhere. So in this lesson, who dressed up like a plumber? Yes, David dressed up like a plumber. Very good, children. And look at the picture. Who is coming next? Yes, Punita. So she dressed up like a teacher and she said, I am Punita. I am a teacher. I teach kids. I am Punita. Nandan Punita. I am a teacher. Nan teacher. I teach kids. நான் குழந்தைகளுக்கு பாடம் சொல்லிக் கொடுப்பேன் அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்றாங்க? புனிதா சொல்றாங்க. And what is the role of teacher in this society, children? So in this society, and the role of the teacher is very, very important for our society, children. Why? Because they are giving knowledge for the society, and the children, those who are going to school. So in your school, who is giving knowledge? Yes, very good, children. Teacher is only giving knowledge for you. நமக்கு அறிவை வழங்குபவர் யாரு? டீச்சர். ஸோ புத்தகத்தில் இருக்கும் கருத்துக்களை நம்மிடம் கொண்டு வந்து சேர்ப்பவர் ஆசிரியர். ஸோ ஆசிரியர் பணி என்பது மிகவும் மகத்தான பணி. ஸோ in this lesson, who dressed up like a teacher? Very good children. Punitha dressed up like a teacher. And the next one is coming. Look at the picture. Who is coming? Very good. Ravi. So Ravi came with one cap and also one ladle. So he said, I am Ravi. I am a chef. I love cooking yummy food. What kind of food? Yummy food. I am Ravi. நான் தான் ரவி. I am chef. நான் ஒரு சமையற்காரர். I love cooking. எனக்கு சமைப்பது மிகவும் பிடிக்கும். Yummy food. What kind of food? Yummy food. சுவையாக உணவு சமைப்பது எனக்கு மிகவும் பிடிக்கும். யார் சொல்றாங்க? ரவி சொல்றாங்க. So he dressed up like chef. So what is the role of chef? So what he do? Yeah, chef is a professional cook. Professional cook. Cooking is also a kind of art, children. Cooking tasty food, it's not easy way. So the chef is doing cooking tasty food and they are giving to us. So chef means a professional cook and he is the head of all the cooks and he do work in hotels and restaurants and also in some functions. And the next person is coming. Look at the picture. Yes, pilot is coming. And now let us see who came as a pilot. I am Johnny. So Johnny came as a pilot. I am Johnny. I am a driver. I drive people around on a bus. I am Johnny. நான் தான் Johnny. I am a driver. நான் ஒரு ஓட்டுநர். I drive people around on a bus. I drive people. நான் மக்களை வாகனத்தில் ஏற்றிக்கொண்டு எல்லா இடத்திலும் செல்வேன் அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்றாங்க? ஜானி சொல்றாங்க. So Johnny dressed up like a driver. So Johnny dressed up like a driver. Who is driver? Yes, driver means ஓட்டுநர். He drives car, buses and vans. He drives all the vehicles. So they are called driver. And the next one, look at the picture. Yes. And the last but not the least, Jenny is coming. So where is Jenny? As the teacher. Everyone came from the class. Classல இருந்து எல்லாருமே வந்துட்டாங்க. And the teacher asked, where is Jenny? Jenny எங்க போனா அப்படின்னு யார் கேக்குறது? As the teacher. Teacher கேக்குறாங்க. And what Jenny is doing now? Look at the sentence. She jumps from behind the chair. So what Jenny is doing? She jumps from behind the chair. Chair பின்னாடி இருந்து குதிச்சி வராங்க. யார் வராங்க? Jenny வராங்க. And she said, I am here. I am the magician. I do tricks to make you laugh. I am here. நான் இங்குதான் இருக்கிறேன். I am magician. நான் ஒரு மந்திரவாதி. I do tricks. நான் வித்தைகளை செய்வேன். To make you laugh. யாரை சிரிக்க வைக்கிறதுக்காக? உங்களை சிரிக்க வைக்க நான் பலவித வித்தைகளை செய்வேன். Who said these words, children? Yes, very good. Jenny said these words. What he said? I am here. I am a magician. I do tricks to make you laugh. And the teacher said, oh, that's interesting, says the teacher. So the Malini teacher said, oh, அப்படியா, that's interesting, ரொம்ப ஆர்வமா இருக்கே, says the teacher. அவங்க சொல்றாங்க. So here Jenny dressed up like magician. So magician. Who is magician, children? Magician means Mandaravadi. Mandiravadi. So, what magician is doing? Magician is an entertainer. ஒரு பொழுதுபோக்கிற்காக நமக்காக பலவித வித்தைகளையும் மாயாஜாலங்களையும் செய்து நம்மை மகிழ்விப்பவர் மந்திரவாதி. So, he do tricks with some cards and with cloths, with flowers, and they do tricks in all the things. So, this is the magician work in the society, children. So, it is a happy day. What fun they have. It is a happy day. இது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமான நாள். What fun they have. So, நாம் இன்று முழுவதும் அனைவரும் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருந்தோம். So, the story is over, children, and in Malini class teacher, in that class, they did fancy dress and they completed the day and they went with the enjoyment. So, that's all. The story is over, and now let us recall some of the professionals here. Next, we are going to see the topic let us understand, and in this let us understand, your first question is tick the correct word. சரியான வார்த்தையை tick செய்யணும். So, in the first picture is given for you and two options are given there. One is farmer and another one is pilot. Look at the picture, children. What profession? So, the boy dressed up like farmer or pilot? Very good, children. The boy dressed up like an farmer. So, farmer is a correct one. And in the next picture, so the girl dressed up like magician or dancer. Which is the correct one? Magician or dancer? Very good, children. Dancer is the correct answer. And come to the next one. Look at the first picture. So, the girl dressed up, she is a doctor or chef. Which one is correct? Which one is correct, children? Yes, very good. Doctor is correct answer. And the next one, the boy dressed up like a pilot or teacher. Which is the correct answer? Pilot or teacher? Very good, children. Pilot. And your next one, in this let us understand, your next exercises match the pictures. Match the picture, and some pictures are there. Match the correct picture with the one more picture, and the first one is bus. So, who drives bus? Very good, children. Driver only drives bus. So, which is the correct answer for A, bus? Yes, the last answer is correct. The driver drives a bus. And the next one is aeroplane. So, who flies an aeroplane? Very good, children. Pilot. Who flies an aeroplane? Pilot. So, which is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is pilot. And the next one is, see the picture, the pipe is leaking with the water. And who repairs the pipe? Who repairs the pipe, children? Yes, plumber only repairs the pipes. And who is a plumber? Very good. He is a plumber, and this is the answer for C. So, driver drives a bus and the pilot flies an aeroplane and the plumber repairs pipes. And your next one, let us understand. Listen, think and write. Listen pannunga, think, yosinga and write. You write the answer. And your first question, what is the name of the dancer? So, in this lesson, who dressed up like a dancer? Very good, children. Charu dressed up like a dancer. So, in that blank, write the answer Charu, C-H-A-R-U, Charu. And your second question, what does a farmer grow? So, what does a farmer grow, children? In this lesson, we learned already. So, what does a farmer grow? Very good children. The farmer grow food for us. So write in that blank food. F-O-O-D. Food. And your third question, what does your father and mother do? So what your father is working and what your mother is working. If your mother is working as a teacher, write teacher, and or your father is working as an engineer, write engineer in that blank. So if your father is working as a farmer, write farmer in that blank children. And your last question, what would you like to become? நீங்கள் என்னவாக ஆசைப்படுகிறீர்கள்? உங்களுக்கு என்னவாகணும்னு ஆசை? டீச்சர் ஆகணும்னு ஆசையா? அங்க டீச்சர் எழுதுங்க. டாக்டர் ஆகணும்னு ஆசையா? டாக்டர் எழுதுங்க. போலீஸ் ஆகணும்னு ஆசையா? அந்த blankல police எழுதுங்க. And now your next one, let us recall some of the professions here and what we learned. See, he is a farmer. So farmer grow food for us. So what is the role of this society? What is the role of the farmer in this society? The farmer grow food for us. And next one, she is a dancer. She is a dancer. So what is the role of dancer? Dancer, they entertain us through their dance. And your next one, who is he? He is a pilot. So pilot flies an aeroplane. And the next one, engineer. So what is the role of the engineer in this society? Engineer builds houses and they design machines and they repair the machines also. And next one, who is she? Very good children, she is a doctor. So the person who trained in medicine and also they treat people, those who are sick. And the next one, plumber. So what is the role of the plumber? So plumber, they repair pipes. Very good children. Your next picture, see, teacher. So what is the role of the teacher? Teacher giving knowledge to the students, and we are learning from the teacher only. And your next one, chef. So what is mean by chef? Chef means professional cook. So in this lesson we learned people who help us, and there are so many persons and still they are helping us. Always we must thank those persons, and this is the time to thank for you children. Thank you.